Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Christina and today I'm going to be doing this pink and purple bright look from the Too Faced White Peach palette, one of my favorite palettes of the year. I've done a previous tutorial on this that was more of a natural pinky peachy look. So today I'm doing something a little bit darker, a little bit more fun. So here are the colors. I went over them in my other video, but I'll briefly go over them again. There's lots of nice light colors that you can use for everyday looks and lots of things that you can have fun with as well. I am especially a fan of the shimmer shades, the Peach Passion, the Glistening Peach, and the Peach Ice. Those are probably my three favorite shades. And then I really like the Peach Suede and then the Sweet Fig shade as well. This whole palette is just gorgeous. So I'm really excited to show you this look. Before I get started, go ahead and click the subscribe and the like button down below. And you can follow me on Instagram at Christina14Chalk. If you want to see how I did this look, then go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to start off by going in with my Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in the shade Sin, my usual primer. I'm going to put that all over my eye. And then I'm going to rub that in with my finger. So first I'm going to be going in with the shade Peach Cream up here in the top corner, and I am just going to put that all over my lid to set my primer. So for my transition shade today, I am going to be going in with Peach Suede, this pinky shade in the top corner, and I'm going to be going in with my Real Techniques domed eyeshadow brush. I'm just putting that in my crease. So going in again with my Real Techniques domed eyeshadow brush, I'm going to go in with the shade Sweet Fig right here. And I am just going to add that to my crease as well to add a little bit of dimension. So cleaning off my Real Techniques brush, I am going to go back in with that domed eyeshadow brush, and I am going to go into this shade right here, Peach Passion, this kind of purpley shimmer shade in the corner, and I'm going to buff that into my crease. And I'm going to buff that into my outer V. To brush away the fallout today, I'm going to take my Tarte big powder brush, and I'm just going to brush that away. Yeah, there we go. So I am going to be building up that deep purple shade, Peach Passion, a little more in a little bit, but first I'm going to go in with my all over the lid shade. I am going to take my Body Shop flat brush. It's called the Body Shop eyeshadow brush, and I'm just going to go in with I'm going to spray it with my Tarte Rainforest of the Sea 4-in-1 setting mist. I am going to go in with the shade Glistening Peach, this one right here, and I am just going to put that all over the center of my lid and into the inner corner. Ooh, fallout. So I'm going to brush away my fallout with my Tarte brush again. Okay, so with that shimmer shade, I covered up a lot of the purple on my outer corner. So I'm going to go back in with my Real Techniques domed eyeshadow brush, and I am going to go back in with that purple shade Peach Passion, and I am just going to build that up a little more on my outer corner. Okay, and taking my Morphe M441 brush, I am just going to blend everything out, blend it together. Okay, so next I'm going to take my e.l.f. small angled brush and I am going to go in with that shade Peach Passion in the corner, this purple shade, and I am going to drag that along my lower lash line. So next I'm going to take my Body Shop lip concealer brush and I am going to go in with that light shade Peach Cream, and I'm going to build that up in my inner corners and on my brow bone. And just to add a little bit more, I'm going to go in with that shade Peach Ice using the same Body Shop brush, and I am going to build that up in my inner corner and brow bone as well. Okay, so I am going to go do my eyeliner off camera and I will be right back. Okay, so I am going to keep building up that shade Peach Passion. I'm going to go back in with my e.l.f. small angled brush and just kind of smoke it out on the lower lash line. Okay, and next I'm going to go back in with my Real Techniques brush and I'm going to build that up on my outer corner a little bit more, just blend that out and darken that up. Okay, so I'm going to take a break from eyes real quick and I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora Glow Kit. And I'm going to be taking my Morphe M310 fan brush and I'm going to go in with this green shade right here, Hella, in the bottom corner. Alright, so next I am going to do my eyelashes. I am going to curl my eyelashes real quick. Okay, so taking my usual three, I'm going to go in with my Ulta Twice as Nice, and I'm going to use the lower lash side on the back of my upper lashes. And I've talked about this in my other videos, but I do this just to make my eyelashes pop and to clean up any extra shimmery fallout that has fallen. Okay, on my lower lashes today, I'm going to be using my Tarte Lights Camera Lashes Mascara. I'm going to build that up on my lower lashes. This is my favorite smudge-proof mascara, especially for lower lashes. And then on the top lashes, I'll go in just with a thin layer. Okay, so going in with my Ride or Die, my Too Faced Better Than Sex Waterproof Mascara, I'm going to build that up on my top lashes. So I use two different mascaras on the top and bottom lashes just because the Lights Camera Lashes is a little better about smudging. It doesn't smudge under my eyes and make me look like a raccoon after several hours, where this tends to not be so great about that. But the Lights Camera Lashes does not give me the volume that the Better Than Sex does on my top lashes that I'm looking for. So I use two different mascaras. Both of them are great. Both of them work really great for what I use them for, but that's just why I use three different mascaras each time. Okay, to set my face real quick, I am going to go in with my Tarte 4-in-1 Rainforest of the Sea 4-in-1 Setting Mist. Spray that all over my face. Okay, so for lips today, I'm going to first go in with my Colourpop Lip Liner in the shade 951. So next I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is the Liquid Gloss in the shade Toffee. Alright, and that completes this look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye!